Assalomualaikum do'stlar, sizlar bilan birga do'stlar bugun sizlar bilan birga GTA Vice City'ni Android turini qilamiz. Kazmin bir missiyadan missiyalarni tugatib, so'ng missiyalarni o'rganib ketamiz. Nima so'qimiz? Kazminni bilamiz. Endi ketdik.
For I believe the one who truly understands and would know what to say to Obito is you, his friend. Kakashi.
Don't worry, Tommy. I'll cover you.
Şunu atsalı öyle de blok var.
Ne basın geliyorsun? Sıktım mı? İyi mi? Kırmıyor mu? Nasıl kanka? Ne oluyor bak? Hadi.
Ala bir saatte var.
Fiyat ezerme yaka.
7'den 20'ye koydu.
For I believe the one who truly understands and would know what to say to Obito is you, his friend, Kakashi.
Benim bak yapması sana. Nasıl olsun canım? Nasıl
Nasıl bizim iyi olalım ya?
For I believe the one who truly understands and would know what to say to Obito is you, his friend, Kakashi. For I believe the one who truly understands
You
and would know what
stupid
to say to
pricks!
Obito is you, his
My
friend,
beautiful house!
Kakashi.
Look what you've done to us! This is for my brother! I trusted you, Tommy! I would have had you made! Physical nice to kiss!
basit yani. Diye.
She's always giving me a hard time. Oh, we gotta redecorate this place. We gotta make it look older. I can't stand this look. Tommy, what do you say? What do you say we put a bar? You're my lawyer, Rosenberg, not my interior decorator. Got it? Listen to me. The time to take over this town is now. It's all out there waiting for us. We need to start seizing territory. Let Vice City know we're the new players in town. You know what I'm saying? What you need is a legitimate front, Tommy. Real estate.
Ne Rana'da da
Don't me no
bilmiyorum.
harm. We need to start using some muscle. We can kiss all that hard work goodbye.
Arkadaşlar
Local business know Diaz is dead, and they're refusing to pay protection. Oh, we could try bribery. Bribery? Screw bribery. I'll show you how to make them scared. I'll be back here in 5 minutes.
barman ne soğuk
Så där, lite handlade så som drej och så kunde säga också lite. Kan jag tycka om detta? Kunde säga och den kan jag inte säga.
For I believe the one who truly
Ya bu çok
understands
olmuş ya.
and would know what to say to Obito is you, his friend. Kakashi.
Anahtarı yutsalma.
Ağzına tutturmak mısın? Kızın arkında tutturmak.
For I believe the one who truly understands and would know what to say to Obito is you, his friend.
Don't mess with me again, pal.
Açmasını etme. Ini gimana nih?
Berapa sesi?
Aku kesini suara ini. Wow. Ini di sini. Ini monster.
You want to feel the real Bangman?
Просто геймплей.
Kadın mı?
Çok güzel bir aşık bence.